Want to build the ultimate gaming and productivity beast? Let's dive into this Intel i9 13900K PC build with RTX 4090 Ti. First up, the Intel Core i9 13900K. With 24 cores and clock speeds up to 5.8 GHz, this is a processing powerhouse for gamers and creators. Pairing that with the NVIDIA RTX 4090 Ti, you're getting top-tier 4K gaming performance and insane rendering speeds. Next, 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM. Future-proof your system with ultra-fast memory for multitasking and gaming. For the motherboard, we're using the Asus ROG Z790, built to handle the power of Intel's 13th gen processors with overclocking support. To keep everything cool, we're going with Corsair's H150i Elite liquid cooler for maximum efficiency and RGB style. Powering all of this, the Corsair RM1000X, a reliable 1000-watt PSU, ready for high-performance gaming and overclocking. We're going for fast storage with a 1 TB